Hello again, everyone. This is Mr. Hoy with the second video on discriminants. By this point, you want to make sure you've got b squared minus 4ac written down. You'll be using that expression and substituting the variables with numbers from the equation. So again, the discriminant makes up a portion of the quadratic formula. This is the larger quadratic formula here in black. Just the blue portion under the radical is the discriminant. So in our example here, we've got 1/2 x squared minus 7x plus 26. So what you want to do there is take your discriminant formula, substitute -7 for the b value, substitute 1/2 for the a value, and positive 26 for the c value. Then you just want to make sure you're multiplying correctly. We've got -7 times -7 is positive 49. When doing this last calculation, again, please be careful to get the sign correct. -4 times 1/2 times 26. So you've got a negative times a positive, that'll be a negative. Then again, times a positive, it'll stay negative here as a negative 52. So you can run those calculations again, make sure you're getting the correct sign. Double check this particular sign if you're going to check anything, because that's where most mistakes occur. So we've got 49 minus 52, creating a -3 as our discriminant. Now, as a quick reminder here, if you watched the last video, went through the last explanation, positive discriminants have two solutions. A zero discriminant has one solution, essentially meaning one x-intercept right on the x-axis, but a negative discriminant results in zero solutions or no solutions. Just a quick reminder on what solutions are. They're our x-intercepts, also referred to as our roots. So when we're talking about this particular function, we're able to take the function itself and determine how many times that parabola is going to cross the x-axis just by running this quick calculation. So in our instance here, we've got -3 as our discriminant. That means this parabola is not going to cross the x-axis, means we don't have solutions to this problem represented here with the quadratic formula. So if you're doing a question, a bigger question with the quadratic formula, and you determine a negative discriminant within that radical, you already know that there aren't going to be any solutions to that question. It's a little way to save time if you understand what the discriminant provides you in the question.